Hey, what's going on, guys? Let's look at this problem right here. Here this question is asking, using two 4-bit binary counters of the type shown below and logic gates, design a binary counter that counts from decimal 23 to decimal 133 and input init initializes counter synchronously to 23 when it is 1. The counter has load and count inputs for load enable and count enable respectively and a carry output CO. Assume that Q3 is the most significant bit MSB and Q0 is the least significant bit LSB. Similar assumption apply for the parallel load inputs D3 and D0. Okay, now let's go ahead and do that. First, let's go ahead and convert this decimal to binary. 23, if decimal to binary is 0 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 and 133 decimal to binary is 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 1. Okay, now let's go ahead and draw the diagram. Here we have least significant stage and most significant stage. Let's say this is least significant stage and let's say this one is most significant stage, and here this is least significant stage and this one is most significant stage. Here we have clock and here we have load and load and count right here, count. This is okay. Here we have D0 D1 and D0 D3. Okay, now 2310 0 1 1 1, that is the one we are going to have right here. 0 1 1 1. Then the first 4 digit will be in the other one, that is 0 0 0 1. D0 D1 D2 D3 0 0 0 1 and 0 1 1 1 1 after that. Okay, we just taken care of this part, this side. Now in the next side we have 1 0 0 0 0 and 0 1 0 1. So 1 0 0 0 0 comes here. Here if I start from Q0 Q1 Q2 Q3 and 1 comes from here and connected to an AND gate. So 1 comes from here and then 0 1 0 1. So let's put that one right here, starting from C0 Q0 Q1 Q2 Q3. So first one is 0, so we don't have anything here. Then after that 1 0 1 1 is connected to the AND gate, and after that 0 1 0 again, after that 1. So Q0 is also connected to this AND gate, and then here we have C0 that will be connected to this count right here, and after that we had to add an init. Okay, OR gate connected to this load, and after that this one also connected to this load. The input is init, and then and that's it. That's how we do that. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you're trying to learn digital logic design too, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.